Yeah.
You know what I mean?
When I heard like On Top of the World for the first time, and even City Boy for the first time, for me it's a new sound from Burna Boy, but it's fun and it's summertime and it's exciting.
Yeah. And that's the funniest thing. It's actually not even a new sound from Burna Boy, because Burna Boy has been Afro-Fusion, and Afro-Fusion is a big melting pot of different
cultures and sounds.
Everything, you know what I mean? That's what Afro-Fusion is, not a box. You understand? Afro-Fusion looks like this and sounds like this at this time, and it's such a... Okay, let me break it down. Why I created Afro-Fusion is because I didn't want to be boxed into any Afrobeat or boxed into hip-hop or boxed into anything. Because I don't believe in genres. So it's like, for someone who doesn't believe in genres, where are you going to keep him?